Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about that how you can create the Binance account on your PC. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to search sentence like this. So I'm going to search the sentence like how to create account on Binance. So let's click on this. After clicking on this, you will see the site. As you can see, the Google is providing some steps. You have to follow these steps. So you have to click on this link. After clicking on this, we are going to open the link. So after clicking on this, as you can see, the website is open. The officials of the Binance have provided all the information that how we can create the account and verify. So as you can see, they have provided all the information in written, and they have also provided the screenshots as well, that what we have to do, what step we have to follow, and which buttons we have to click. So as you can see, they have provided the mobile app instructions that how you can create the account. You have to click on the new account, and they have also provided the steps in written as well. To create your account on the app, download and install the free Binance US app. If you already have Binance US account, tap login and escape, and they, as you can see, they have provided all the information and you have to follow these steps. Now you have to click on this button. As you can see, they have circled it. You can follow these all the screenshots and all the steps, all the things are mentioned and written here. You just have to follow these. And after following these screenshots and these written text, I hope you will be able to create your Binance account and you can verify that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create your Binance account and verify it. So see you guys in the next video.